I am now applying my twisting cream. Smells fine. The product it's a nice, friendly smell. I am sensitive to smells because I have allergies. So I'm always looking for something that's not going to be too fragrancy. And it seems to be all right so far. So here we go. So I use my Denman brush. And you can see no issues, no tangles. And this is to use a liberal amount and run it through your hair. But hands down, this product is awesome. The whole line so far on my hair. From the shampoo, there's no tangling. And I am just going to 2-strand twist this like so. My hand is so slippery right now. Nothing special. Just twisting in 2 strands. My ends are good. And twirl it around. And voila. Next one. Just parting them with my fingers. Should probably be 2. But we shall see. Here's this clip. I'm going to comb through this. My whipping cream. I am actually looking very forward to seeing how this turns out. Typically, I would make this 2, and I probably should. I'm gonna split that. Look like a whole bunch of hair. Make that a smaller twist. Oh, you know what? I'm not. I'm gonna keep it big. And see what happens. They'll be chunkier than normal. And I just twist. All right. So I'll get back to you. I'll let you know how it all ends.